So now jumping into the PowerPoint tips. Tip number 5, use proper spacing in your PowerPoint tables. So this one is a little bit of a tricky one. Not a lot of people use this, but I have an example below, good spacing and bad spacing. On the left column of this table, you see a column where you have a decent amount of space between the words and the actual borders. On the right side of the column, you have the word bumping up right up against the border. And while it's not the end of the world, when you look at it, you can see, one side looks better than the other. How I've seen some people try to address this is by going and manually inputting, hitting spacebar twice in each cell to create some of that space. But really, all you need to do is use PowerPoint's internal margin function. So if you go to Format, Shape, Text Box, you can see a number of options available. In the screen option here, you can see that all the margins are 0, which is what makes the words bump right up against the border. Once you go in and adjust that, should be no problem. You'll have that spacing, and if you do many columns at the same time, that spacing can be applied all at once.